Yo. Yo, wagwan. Why I'm laughing? You're asking? I am gonna tell you. Nothing. Nah, it's just a laugh. I'm happy to be back. I'm happy to be back, guys. I'm not fully back, but I'm back. I've been moving out. One of the most stressful things. We still not unpack. So I was just setting up my game. My game room set up already and everything. But we just scroll and I say, a song drop. So I say, why not just react right now, right? Like spontaneously, right now. So we're doing it. We are reacting to TSB 𝗥𝗘𝗔𝗖𝗧𝗜𝗢𝗪 featuring M1llionz and Unknown T, guys. We're gonna break down this. We're gonna break down. So for anybody who are gonna jump in my comment section, like a few of them do, not a lot, few of them do, jump in the comment section and say, do you post too much? The full link of the video in the description below. So go and click it and watch it. Or go up on your YouTube channel and go do it. Leave me alone. This is what we do things over here. People like it, that's what we're doing. If you have a problem with it, ask the public. Don't ask me. Anyway, we're gonna jump straight into this. Let's go. We pause every 10 seconds, by the way. This is the song we're playing in the background. I'm rolling down the lonely highway, asking God to please forgive me. That's the song in the background.
5-star plate, big mood, let's fly down west for food.
Alright.
I was doing uptown trips with my boo when I should got a tug doing rhythm and blues. Hotel trip.
You know, the problem with when me have with Unknown T, when me can't understand everything when I say, because him speaks so deep, plus him, it like, I don't know, there's something about it when me can't understand fully. Me can't understand it.
Let me grip and shoot, come on old back shots to my tune. I was swinging my jacket, edge of the up, same day I came back to you.
Hey home girl, if I tell you a secret, promise you'll keep it between me and you.
Baby girl, if you tell me a secret, just promise I will keep it between me and you. M1llionz, I promise is a comfort to a fool, my friend. So don't tell them girl no secret and expect them I go keep it. You understand? Them will leak it. Them will release it. Yeah.
I wanna hear your opinion, tell me if I'm right or wrong, all I need is the truth. Didn't think it would get this deep, I can't go to sleep without speaking to you.
Mars is in love. That is what he does when he's in love. Can I just say, if you're in a car and a bike a fly past, I live right next to the road now, so vroom vroom vroom, be a car and bike a fly past, you see me? But M1llionz, you can't make that pillar talk. Alright, let me see.
You found out I was cheating, that was a mistake, baby, believe me, it's true. Living with paranoia is hard, I gotta watch cars with tints especially.
So, if you find out that I'm cheating, alright, let me get a part again.
Mistake, baby, believe me, it's true. Living with paranoia is hard, I gotta watch cars with tints especially. Ain't even trying to get drawn out, I don't wanna get on wash shoots, no energy.
He have to watch car, he have to protect himself. Because people after him basically, that's how he must say that. So he have to protect himself from pagans. He don't want to give them waste youth and no energy. He have to watch himself. You understand? Yeah.
Even more so when you're with me, I don't want to put your well-being in jeopardy. Or you understand where I come from, nothing positive, just hate and jealousy.
If you roll with me, I have to be careful, extra careful, because I don't want to put your life at risk. I don't want to put your life at risk. I don't want to put you in a jeopardy. You understand? Yeah. So if you ask me where that come from, that only me can tell you say, hate and jealousy, cause they don't like somebody at top. I'm at the top looking down at them. Them down there ask me, what is the temperature up there? Come up here, come look. Yeah.
Ever knew what I done last night? You probably feel sick and think man's evil. I know it's a catch-22, when we first met I said it was legal.
If you ever know what me do last night, you would think some man me evil. Some gruesome act happened last night, mama. You don't want to know about this.
Okay, let me be honest, I'm official man tag off a recall. How many times me and them man ain't equal? Big firearm in a vehicle.
Me and them boy then, we not equal. How much time you have to tell you that? Me and them boy are not equal. We ain't up on the same level. See me ya, see them ya. Don't just tell them that. Them not there on my level. Them not there on my level. I'm a clot. Big fireman in my vehicle. Deaf?
5-star plate, big mood, let's fly down west for food. I was doing uptown trips with my boo when I should got a tug doing rhythm and blues.
Is this the same 𝗥𝗘𝗔𝗖𝗧𝗜𝗢𝗪 saying, I'm rolling down lonely, because me hear that in the pan the steel pan in the background. Me hear the same instrumental. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys, but me hear the same instrumental.
Hotel trip, let me grip and shoot. Come on, old back shots to my tune. I was swinging my jagged edge of the up, same day I came back to you. Pretty brown thing playing harder than bush. Alright,
what I'm saying, boy, the girl is beautiful though. She beautiful. Me not tell that lie. She beautiful.
I was swinging my jagged edge of the up, same day I came back to you. Pretty brown thing playing harder than bush. Don't open my heart, but I should.
Pretty brown thing playing harder than bush. Which bush himself?
The up, same day I came back to you. Pretty brown thing playing harder than bush. Don't open my.
Pretty brown thing playing harder than bush. Brown, dark brown. Heroin, brown. Are the brown them attack? Like, I don't know what's the reference here?
My heart, but I should. My shawty classy mixed with a hood. And it's POV when she take this wood. I tried too hard, but I misunderstood. Young.
It's POV when she take this wood. It's POV when she take this wood. Yo, okay.
Boy putting Kanye West on a boat. If you gave me a day to rewind, then I would. Love much chino back, honey, dance with the wash. Expensive drip on my PYT, lengthing 1 or 2s on this THC.
He's stepping up a gear now. Ima. Up a gear now.
She comes to the Marsha, she patterns berries, that's 𝗕𝗥𝗘𝗔𝗖𝗧𝗜𝗍 on a new A3. All I want is my ROD, babe, don't get phased by the toxic me.
All I want is my ROD. What is the ROD? What is the ROD? Explain to me, guys. What is the ROD? I don't know what is the ROD.
Ain't perfect, but I've been on my dean. My ops cryptin', now you mean. Burst that lean at your team, my young.
Yo, I don't think. You can't change the eyeglass them, my fam. You can't change the shades them, my fam. Yeah, you love them shades, you know, brother. Yeah, you love them shades, dog. I think me see you on next video night already, brother. Me gonna talk. Me see you night already, my fam. Me see you, but I hear money bite. Rear it, yeah, my fam. Yeah, go on.
This thing part the machine. Tugboy flex, that's part of my gene. I had gal bopping my old in a bean. Drop top, big drip, build that Shanae, and she got wigs on fleek. Alright.
Like I say, I can't break down what Emma say fully. I can't break down what I'm not gonna front and be one of those reactors. Say, no, I don't know what Emma say. I don't know what Emma say, so that is why you guys are here to help me. Yeah.
Could've got her the VV rocks or a day watch. I'm a 6-figure kid, no meeks. 5-star plate, big mood, let's fly down west for food. I was doing uptown trips with my boo when I should got a tug doing rhythm and blues.
I'm waiting for Jagged Edge.
Hotel trip, let me grip and shoot. Come on, old back shots to my tune. I was swinging my jagged edge of the up, same day I came back to you.
Oh, Bumbuckler, I get it wrong all along. I was swinging my jagged edge. Him just say that. I was swinging my jagged edge. Him knife. Oh, the blood clot. Some of the things say, jagged edge. I'm rolling down a lonely highway. Other them sing that song there? Hold on, man. Let me Google this. Bumbuckler. You in trouble now. You in trouble. Jagged edge. Yeah, I them sing that song there. Seems like I just walk right out of heaven. Seems like I don't
5-star plate, big mood, let's fly down west for food. I was doing uptown trips with my boo when I should got a tug doing rhythm and blues. Hotel trip, let me grip and shoot. Come on, old back shots to my tune.
You guys must be laughing at me right now, cause me think say Jagged Edge are the group from America. Me think that them and them do, you know, like a color. Me I say, yo, this because me swim your ear. Me swim your ear that in the background. Me swim your.
I was swinging my jagged edge of the up, same day I came back to you.
Well, if I'm wrong, let me hear it. Let me read in the comment section. Say, you cannot hear that instrumental there from the original Walk Out of Heaven song. Let me know if you can hear that in this Bumbuckler. Me can't hear that. Yeah. See, the same way the fucking. If I'm wrong, tell me I'm wrong. I will put my hand up and say I'm wrong.
Drip on my PYT, lengthing 1 or 2s of this THC. She come to the Marsha, she pattern berries, that's 𝗕𝗥𝗘𝗔𝗖𝗧𝗜𝗓 on a new A3.
Right, okay. This is different. This is different.
Oh, I forgot the lyrics. Man.
It's a live performance and forgetting lyrics. Drink attack, brother. The drink attack.
Fucking hell.
Yeah. Alright. Guys, hear me I say though. Hear me I say. If I'm wrong, tell me say me wrong. Tell me say me wrong. But me hear that shit in the background. Me hear the jagged shit in the background. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I'm sorry, but I don't think I'm wrong. This is not gonna be one of those reactions where we get everything right. Unknown T, I miss a lot of what Unknown T say. But I'm just testing the water to forward back full effect. When me start, me gonna react to every song and more. I will react to every song and more. I've just been off the radar for like 2 weeks. So I'm not fully back yet, but I'll be back. Don't worry. We are still here. I'm just making you know I'm still here. You know what I mean? So yeah, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for liking the video. Thanks to the new subscribers. I'm seeing you out there. Big up on yourself. I really appreciate it. If you like the video, like the video. You understand? Like the video. Big up millions. Big up Unknown T. Jagged Edge, move your bum buckler. Me take you from America. I know you. Where? I know you Jagged Edge. Know yourself. Anyway, guys, we're out of here. So I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Pew, pew, pew.